Hi children, welcome to VA in school. I am Maithili here. Now we are seeing the chapter 8 time. Okay, in this chapter now we will see the third main. Take your textbook, take page number 166. Okay, come we will see the next topic. Conversion of days into hours. Okay, days into hours. Okay, so there are how many hours in a day? How many hours? 24 hours, that we know, no? Yes, okay. So convert a day, one day 24 hours. We can find out how many numbers of hours are there in a day. No, it is very easy. By multiplying by 24, we can convert days into hours. Okay. There are 24 hours in a day. In order to convert the days into hours, multiply the number of days by 24. Okay. Come, we'll see the assignment 8. Convert into hours. Look here, 3 days. How many hours are there in one day? 24 hours. So, how many hours will be there in 3 days? That is nothing but 3 into 24. That is 72 hours. Okay, 72 hours. Okay, understood children? Come, we'll see the second problem. 8 days. 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. So, 8 days is equal to 8 into 24. Okay. And do the multiplication and find out the answer. Okay, 8 into 24. Do the multiplication and find out. So, do the multiplication, okay, and find out the hours. How many hours are there? 192 hours are there in 8 days. Okay, understood children? 8 fours are how much? 8 fours are 32, 2 right here, 3 as carry, and 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3, 19. So, 192 hours. So, in this way you should do the remaining sums. Okay, multiply the number of days by number of hours. Okay, 6 into 24 like that. Okay, you do and find out the answers. Come, we will go to the next topic in the next page. Conversion of hours into minutes. And we know there are 60 minutes in an hour. Okay. In an hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. In order to convert the hours into minutes, multiply the number of hours by 60. Multiply the number of hours by 60. Okay. Assignment 9. Convert into minutes. 2 hours is equal to 2 into 60 minutes. That is 120 minutes. Understood children? Come, we will do the next one. 6 hours is equal to how many minutes? We should convert 6 hours into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, 6 hour is equal to 6 into 60. That is nothing but 360 minutes. How many minutes? 360 minutes. Understood children? Clear? Okay. So, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 6 hour is equal to 6 into 60 minutes. Okay, very easy, no? Yes. Come, we will go to the next topic. Conversion of minutes into seconds. Okay, we are converting here into lower units. Okay, lower units. That means what? A second is lower than minute, like that. Okay, we are converting into lower units. Okay. Conversion of minutes into seconds, and we know there are 60 seconds in minute. Okay. In order to convert the minutes into seconds, multiply the number of minutes by 60. Okay. Come, we will see the assignment 10. Convert into seconds. 9 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, 9 minutes is equal to 9 into 60 seconds. That is 540 seconds. Okay, children. Come, we will go to the next sum. 4 minutes. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So, 4 minutes is equal to 4 into 60. Okay. How much? 4 into 60? 240 seconds. Okay. Multiplication you know, no? 4 zeros are 0, 4 6 are 24. That's all. Okay. 240 seconds. Understood children? So, in this way you should know what to what convert. Look here. We are going to convert minute into second. So, in 1 minute, how many seconds are there? That you should know first. Okay. See, minute into second. So, in 1 minute, 60 seconds are there. So, in 4 minutes, 4 into 60. That's all. Understood? So, keep in mind, you are what you are converting from what. Okay. And find out that. Take the next page, children. Conversion of hours and minutes into minutes. Here both hours and minutes are given together. What we should do? We should convert it into minute. So, we should keep the minutes as itself and convert the hours into minutes. And now you add both, okay. See, in order to convert hours and minutes into minutes, first convert the hours into minutes and then add the given minutes to it. Example, convert 2 hours 35 minutes into minutes. So, what we should do? We should convert 2 hours 35 minutes into minutes. See, this minutes already in minutes, 35 minutes. So, keep it as itself, okay. First you convert this 2 hours into minutes, okay. 2 hours is equal to 2 into 60 because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, 2 hours is equal to 2 into 60, 120 minutes. Now, you add this 35 minutes. So, 120 minutes plus 35 minutes is equal to 155 minutes. Okay, so what's the answer? So, 2 hours 35 minutes is equal to 155 minutes. Understood, children? Come, we will see the assignment 11. Convert hours into minutes. Okay, convert hours and minutes into minutes. So, with the hours, minutes will be there. So, first we will convert the hours and then we will add the minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes. Come, we will see the first one. 3 hours is equal to 3 into 60 minutes, that is 180 minutes. So, we are going to add this 3 hours, that is 180 minutes with this 20 minutes. So, what is the answer? 200 minutes. So, what is the answer? 200 minutes. Understood, children? Okay, come, we will go to the next sum. Second sum, 4 hours 15 minutes. So, what we should do? We should convert this 4 hours into minutes, that is 4 into 60. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 4 hours is equal to 4 into 60 is equal to 240 minutes. Okay, 240 minutes. Now, we should add this 4 hours, that is 240 minutes with this 15 minutes. Okay, with this 15 minutes. So, 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 1, 5 and 2, 200 and so 4 hours 15 minutes is equal to 255 minutes. Okay, children, this is MIN is nothing but minutes. Okay, in this way you should do the remaining sums. Understood? Come to the next page, children. The 7th main, time interval. Okay, time interval. Time interval is the time gap between the starting time and the ending time. That we know, no? Time interval is the time gap, time between the starting time and the ending time. To find the time interval, find the difference between the two. So, we should find the difference between the two. Okay, that means we should find the difference between the end time and the starting time. Okay, find the time interval between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. 6 a.m. means 6 hours. That we know. 9 a.m. means 9 hours. So, convert it into 24 hours clock. Okay, 6 a.m. is 6 hours. A.m. no, since it is a.m. 6 hours. 9 a.m. is 9 hours. Okay. So, we should find 9 hours minus 6 hours, 3 hours. So, the time interval between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. is 3 hours. Okay. That means what we should do? We should convert it into 24 hours clock. Okay. So that we can find the difference easily. Okay. Example 2. Come, we will see. Find the time interval between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. Okay. 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. So, it is in p.m., it is also in p.m. So, we should add it with 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So, it is 15 hours. 3 p.m. is 15 hours. Here 12 plus 8, 20. So, 8 p.m. is 20 hours. So, the difference is 20 hours minus 15 hours, the end time minus the starting time. Okay, so 20 minus 15 hours, 5 hours. Okay, so the time interval between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. is 5 hours. Okay, 5 hours. Understood, children? Come, we will go to the next sum. Look here p.m. a.m. a.m. Okay, no problem. Whatever it may be, when it is a a.m. or p.m., convert it into 24-hour clock so that it will be easy for you to do the difference. Find the time interval between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. So, 10 a.m. a.m. means you keep as is of 10 hours. p.m. So, 12 plus 4, 16 hours. So, 16 hours minus 10 hours, 6 hours. Understood children? How easy, no? We will do the assignment. Go to next page. Assignment 12. Okay. Find the time interval between 4 a.m. and 10 a.m. This is done for you. Come, we will go to the next sum. 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. So, 3 p.m. it is in p.m. So, add this 3 with 12, that is 15 hours. H is hours. Here it is p.m. So, add this 8 with 12, that is 20 what? Yes. Okay. We will do this. Wait. See here children, we should find the interval between this time and this time. So, what we should do? We should always write the end time, okay, and after that we should write the starting time, okay. See here 4 a.m. and 10 a.m. So, what we should do? We should find the time interval between this time and this time. So, what is the ending time? 10 a.m. So, since it is a.m. we can write as 10 hours. And since it is in a.m. we can write 4 hours. So, 10 minus 4 6. So, what we should do? We should write the end time first, okay. Here we should find the time interval between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. So, what is the end time? 8 p.m. So, it is in p.m. no. So, we should add it with 12. So, it is 12 plus 8 20. It is 20 hours. And 3 p.m. means it is in p.m. So, we should add it with 12. 12 plus 3 15. So, 15 hours, that is the starting time. So, 12 minus 15 how much? 5 hours. Okay. So, the time interval is 5 hours. Okay, 5 hours. Understood children? Okay. So, we should take the end time first and after that we should take the starting time. Okay. See 11 in this way you should do the remaining sums. Okay. So, many examples I did know. So, you do 2 sums, then only you can understand. Okay. Come, we will go see the next example 4. Find the time interval between 5:20 a.m. and 6:50 a.m. Here also then say instead of 10 a.m., 8 a.m., 2 a.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. like that, they are adding minutes also 5:20 a.m., 6:50 a.m. So, it is nothing but simple subtraction only. Okay. So, 5:20 a.m. means how many hours? We should convert it into 24-hour clock. A.m. means what? We should write the time as itself. How many hours? Here 5 hours 20 minutes. So, here 20 minutes are adding. So, we are going to add 5 hours 20 minutes. 6:50 a.m. is nothing but 6 hours 50 minutes. Okay. So, we should find the difference between this and this. So, take the first one this and take the this one. 6 hours minus what? 50 minutes minus 5 hours 20 minutes. Subtraction we know no, hours minutes you arrange it in column. 6 hours 50 minutes, 5 hours 20 minutes. 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 2 3, 6 minus 5 1. So, 1 hour 30 minutes is the difference, it is the time gap. Understood children? So, in this way we can do the sums. Okay. Come, we will see the assignment 13. Next page, go to next page and we will do that. Okay. Okay, before going to assignment, come children, we will see the example 5. Okay, one more example in this. Find the time interval between 6:30 a.m. and 1:20 p.m. So, what we should do? We should convert it into 24 hours, okay, clock, okay. See, and we should subtract this from this time, in starting time from ending time, we should subtract. So, convert first to 24-hour clock, 6:30 a.m. It is nothing but since it is in a.m. So, it is 6 hours 30 minutes, okay. 6:30 a.m. is 6 hours 30 minutes. 1:20 p.m. So, we should add with 12, that means we should add only the hours, not minutes, okay. So, 12 plus 1 13. So, it will become 1:20 p.m. means 13 hours plus 20 minutes, because we are adding only hours, 12 hours, not minutes and also. Okay. So, we are going to add 12 plus 1, that is 13 hours, and take the minutes as itself. Now, subtract. First, we should find the difference between 13 hours 20 minutes minus 6 hours 30 minutes. So, arrange it in column. Hours, minutes, 13, 20, 6, 30. So, come we will do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 3 we can't do, no. That means we can't subtract 20 minutes from 30 minutes. So, what we should do? We should borrow one. See here we are borrowing 1 hour from this 13 hours. So, it will become 12 hours. So, if we borrow 1 hour from here to here, we should convert it into minutes. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So, already 20 minutes is there. So, 60 plus 20, how much? 80. Okay. So, now we are subtracting 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 3, 5. And coming to hours, 12 minus 6, 6. So, what is the difference? What is the difference? Time gap, 6 hours, 50 minutes. Okay. So, if we are borrowing 1 hour means, here 1 hour means 60 minutes. So, 60 minutes and the minute what we are having, no, we should add it. See. So, we cannot subtract 30 minutes from 20 minutes. So, we borrow 1 hour, that is here. 1 hour, that is 60 minutes from 13 hours. So, now we have 20 minutes plus 60 minutes, that is 80 minutes. Okay. Subtracting minutes. So, 80 minus 30, 50 minutes. Okay children, understood? Come, we will go to the next page. Assignments are